it's me, Jesse again. Welcome to Koryo Warriors IT Martial Arts. Today I'm going to show you what a back kick is. Okay, a back kick is a turning kick, which I feel that's important. I feel that most martial artists should learn and incorporate in their skill set. So here it is. So what you're going to do from a fighting stance position, you're going to turn, your knees are going to touch together, you're going to look over your shoulder, and then you're going to perform a turning cycle. Now I'm going to perform the other side so you have a better way to see it. So from this position, you're going to turn, knees together, look over your shoulder, turning cycle. So right away, if you want turn, right away it's a turning cycle. So it's a good kick to learn. Use it wisely. It's not always important to turn your head. I'm just telling you that just for beginner's sake, but some people don't turn their head. They just kick and guess where their opponent is. Okay? They just get the instinct where their target is before they do the kick. So that's the back kick. Let me know what you feel, what you think about it. Subscribe, please, for more videos. Thank you.